As you use Notion, you might find you would like to change the background color of text to make it stand out a little bit. So in this example, I have a pretend blog post and I would like to change the background color of these two paragraphs. How I would go about doing so is I would select the whole text. You could also select the whole block here. This is the text color. I'll click on the three dots and I will go to the color option and I will go to the bottom section. You can see it says background here. So I can choose a background color. I'll pick yellow. So now this block of text has a yellow color to it. Let's change this as well. Three dots, color, and I'll go down to section. I'll pick blue. And now this section is blue.